Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Slack paid plans, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Slack website at www.slack.com. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and password to log into your Slack workspace. If you do not have an account, click on Get Started to create one. Once logged in, go to your workspace name in the top left corner. Click on the workspace name to open the drop-down menu. Select Administration from the options. In the Administration menu, choose Billing to access your billing details. Here, you will see the current plan and pricing options available. To select a paid plan, click on the Upgrade button. Review the different paid plans offered by Slack. Compare features such as additional storage, advanced search, and guest accounts. Once you've chosen a plan that suits your needs, click on the Choose Plan button. Enter the necessary billing information, including payment method and billing address. Confirm the details you provided are accurate. After reviewing, click the Start My Trial or Upgrade button to finalize your subscription. Slack will then process your payment and upgrade your account. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your new subscription. At this point, you can start enjoying the benefits of your Slack paid plan. Remember to explore the additional features available with your new subscription. You can adjust your subscription or view billing history at any time in the billing section. By following these steps, you now have access to all the advantages of Slack's paid plans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.